Welcome back to Read to Me, Miss Tracy. I have yet another story to read to you. And because that's what we do on the Read to Me, Miss Tracy's Storytime channel. We bring books to life, right? Ready for our next one? I'm super excited to bring you Canon's Crash Course. It is written by Mon Trice and illustrated by one of my favorite artists right here in the St. Louis area. Yeah, Kababi Bayoc. Super excited. He has illustrated so many children's books, and his wife is an excellent baker. She has sweet art. You can go and see a lot of their art, his art, and her can taste their tasty treats over at Sweet Art right here in St. Louis. It's a vegan bakery, and it's yummy, 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 yummy. Love it, and love them both. Okay, Canon's Crash Course, here we go. Canon had a new orange bike, the smallest on his street. Bright reflectors, big red flag and horn, meek meek, that honked. He watched his older brothers ride, Mikhail, Fred, and Drew. When it came to riding his, he did not have a clue. Today will be the day, he said. I will teach myself to ride. He strapped the helmet to his head and took his bike outside. He wobbled, then turned left, but forgot to use his brakes. Uh-oh. He crashed into T. Baker, and he made him drop his cakes. Oh, no, Canon. He plowed over some daisies and nearly squashed a pup. When he landed on his head, he shouted, "Aw, I give up." Good thing he had on his helmet. Yeah. T. Baker went to help him, pink frosting on his head. He picked him up, wiped him clean, and this is what he said. Have you noticed how the words are rhyming? Yeah, it's a rhyming story. When things go wrong, as some things do, you must not have a fit. Think it over, try again, but most of all, don't quit. That's right, T. Baker. He knew the words T spoke were true. They quieted his fears. He picked up his bike, rehung the flag, and wiped away his tears. Good job, Canon. He didn't wiggle or wobble. He'd given it his all. His paths were straight. His turns were tight. He rode and did not fall. T. Baker clapped, jumped up and down, smiled at the tyke with pride. In Canon's heart, he had not forgotten the day he learned to ride. Good job, T. Baker. Thanks for encouraging Canon, and good job, Canon, for not giving up. The end. Oh, I love the pictures. Love, love, love this book. Good job. Do you have a bike riding story, or a story maybe you were learning to swim, or learning to play an instrument, or even learning to read a book? Yeah. Tell Miss Tracy about it. She'd love to hear from you. All you got to do is put a comment in the comment section after you've liked it, yeah, and after you've subscribed. Hit that little red button. Until next time, hug yourself daily, several times. If you can't love the one you with, well, if you can't be with the one you love the one you with. That's what Miss Tracy was trying to say. All right, you gave yourself a hug. Now let's sing the song. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear. air. Wave goodbye, butterfly. See ya. See you next time.